Hello friends, today's video I'll show you how to make your own personalized stickers using the simplest way to get your own stickers in a single app, which is Sticker Maker app. I'll give you the description link of the app in the description below, so please check the link and have your own application and make your own emojis or stickers of WhatsApp. So just go to the Play Store and search for the Sticker Maker, and I'll give you the link, so you don't need to search for it, so you can directly go to the App Store and download it. So if you have downloaded it, now you have to just open this app, and for the inconvenience, for the last video which I have made on the Sticker Maker app, I just request you to use this app more. This is so much easy, and this app give you the permission to update your sticker packs. So how to add new sticker? Go to the add new sticker, give a decent name on the sticker pack. I just giving it the name of Meme on Me. So the author name will be my name or anyone's name. You can give this and just create. Now you have to go inside and choose the icon of the sticker. So the icon of the sticker pack doesn't need to be the most accurate one, but it must need to disclose the information about the pack, so that I am giving my image, for example, in the title. It will give in the title of this sticker pack. So you have to just drag your pointer and select those area, and you have to go to yes. Now you have to add the other stickers. The main stickers can be added 30, I guess, and the icon is the other thing. So I'm just giving it a just shape like a girl have hairs. So you can make other stuff, like you have added some writings on your body, or which I have more space on my chest area in this picture, so you can add some things like okay, or something like I don't like it, or something like that. You can add them in the other apps, and you can use the finalized picture to cut out in this app, and you can add this in this app to get the WhatsApp sticker. So you have to have another app to just make funk type of pictures of yourself. Then you can cut out the main thing here. It is easy to use and it is updatable, which is the main good thing I have seen this app. I have given this update very good. So you have to just make sure you have enough stickers in your bunch. At least you have to add 3 stickers, but you can add 30 of them, so you can change them if you require to remove someone or remove some stickers from it or update it. So I have made this one like I didn't have a beard, but this picture looks like I have a beard, so it is a funky one. So I have already have this picture, and I have just added it in this way. So you have to add to WhatsApp, and it will give some ads in this, just a free app, so it will give you some ads. So you just go to the WhatsApp directly, and you will realize the sticker packs are here. So you can see the sticker packs are here, and you can send them directly. So anyone just clicks on these sticker packs will see only this pack, or go to the direct to the application that they can download, but they won't get this just stickers directly, because that are made by you and not to others. So no one will get your stickers directly, so they can forward it to you, but they will not get the stickers to them. So the stickers privacy, I don't like stickers have privacy, but you can just add other stickers. As I am doing now, I am adding other stickers, and I will show you that this app gives you permission to add other stickers when after you made a sticker pack. So this is a nice cool thing. You can update your sticker packs, you can make more stickers regularly, or whenever you want. So this is a good thing to have. So I have this application from the beginning, very beginning. WhatsApp given this update, I just get this update. This app is so good. So now this new sticker has already added. So if you want to change the title, if you want to change the name of the sticker pack, if you want to change any of the stickers, you want to remove this, I have just removed this, you have to just update it. So it's a very easy and cool way to get your stickers. So I will recommend you to get your own stickers, and you can send them to your friends and family. So like my videos, if you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get the notifications from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.